and welcome. I'm Chavi Sompura and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Severe storms sprawl the central US into Memorial Day weekend. Severe weather is intensifying across central United States as millions prepare for the Memorial Day weekend. Forecasters are warning of a dangerous mix of thunderstorms, tornadoes, large hail and flash flooding that could stretch through the holiday. From southern plains to the Midwest, states including Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri and parts of Illinois and Arkansas are under heightened risk. The National Weather Service has issued multiple tornado watches and severe thunderstorm warnings, with more expected as the storm system moves eastwards. This is a classic springtime setup, said meteorologists with the Storm Prediction Center. We have warm, moist air from the Gulf meeting a strong cold front. That instability is driving widespread storm development, including the threat for long-track tornadoes. On Wednesday night, parts of Oklahoma and Kansas saw supercell storms produce tornadoes and large hail as large as baseballs. In some areas, winds exceeded 70 miles per hour, downing power lines and damaging homes. Residents across the region are being urged to stay weather aware, especially during overnight hours when tornadoes are harder to spot and more dangerous. We want everyone to take this seriously, said emergency manager in Tulsa City County, Oklahoma. Have multiple ways to receive warnings and know where your nearest shelter is. Travelers and holiday goers may face delays or disruptions, with heavy rainfall expected to cause flash flooding in low-lying and urban areas. The storm system is expected to remain active into Sunday and possibly Monday, affecting outdoor events and Memorial Day ceremonies. Authorities are advising people to monitor trusted weather sources and avoid driving through flooded roads. With saturated ground and fast-moving storms, even small creeks and streams can rise rapidly. And as the nation prepares to honor its fallen heroes, officials are reminding everyone to prioritize safety and remain vigilant as the severe weather threat continues. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.